From the very first leak about the compact iPhone 12 mini, I thought that this was a terrible idea. The evolution of mobile devices is pretty specific about the sizes that users majorly prefer, and it was a bold move to try to convince them to buy a small smartphone for a premium price. So here we are, talking about Apple discontinuing the mini series in favor of the much bigger Max series. Here is all that I could find about this year's iPhone 14 Max. Hi, it's OZN, and before I start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. Despite criticism of Apple for the lack of innovation in its smartphones, sales indicate that its devices were bought, and will continue to do so. Strictly following its schedule, in September the company should introduce the iPhone 14 series. This year the company will abandon the idea of releasing compact mini smartphone in favor of an affordable model with a large screen. I am waiting for the premiere of the iPhone 14 Max, and there are details about it. Network Insider Shadow Leaks said that in terms of design, the smartphone will follow the classic design with a notch for the front camera and Face ID sensors. The diagonal of the OLED screen will be 6.68 inches with a resolution of 2778 to 1284 pixels. The pixel density is at 458 pixels per inch, and the refresh rate will increase to 90 Hz. The iPhone 14 Max will be content with last year's A16 Bionic chipset, which is in use in the current generation of smartphones. According to one version, their refusal to install a new processor is due to desire to distance the base models from the top ones. On the other hand, it is necessary to offer a low price tag, so as not to lose in your own margin and at the same time not to raise the price. The source also points out that the iPhone 14 Max will offer up to 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 to 156 GB of memory. The main camera will be dual, where the resolution of both sensors is 12 megapixels. Despite all the tricks, calling the cost of a smartphone low would be a big exaggeration, from $899. Not so long ago, it was reported that the largest iPhone assembler, Foxconn, announced their recruitment for the assembly of the iPhone 14 series ahead of schedule to reduce the possibility of delay, and now it has become known that the recruitment has been stopped. The South China Morning Post reports that Foxconn has suspended hiring at the large plant of Zhengzhou after the Chinese government announced a 7-day quarantine in response to new COVID outbreaks. Foxconn increased bonuses to lure new coworkers during the off-season to prepare for iPhone 14 production and prevent disruptions in iPhone 13 production. The company has currently suspended hiring workers for the assembly line until further notice. Manufacturing has been unaffected thanks to Zhengzhou plant's closed-loop system, which restricts workers to factories and dormitories. My today's question is, what is your opinion on the iPhone mini series? Do you think that was a bad idea? Your answers, as always, you can leave in the comment section below. I will definitely read everything, and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seems interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. You were watching OZN, and I'll see you guys in the next one.